And that's the fucking problem.
Stop. Do not fight me. Put your hands behind
I'm not gonna put my hands against it. I'm not gonna fight anybody.
Do not fight me or I'm going to put you on the ground. Do you understand? Do you understand?
Listen, shut up.
No, you stop talking.
Okay, shut up. I get it. But look at me. These kids are not handcuffing, please. These kids.
On March 29th, at around 5 p.m., officers were called to Orange Avenue and 20th Street. The reason? Reports of a woman attacking children in broad daylight.
37, I'm 97. Hold on 1 second,
Okay, how it go?
Wait, what's going on?
Okay, look here, see?
Look, I can tell you what happened.
Look girl. Yo,
Girl right here, she
push the little girl down to bicycle.
was throwing stuff at us and calling us N-word.
The suspect, identified as Alexandra Dean,
The fucking problem.
Stop. Do not fight me. Put your hands behind
I'm not gonna put my hands against it. I'm not gonna fight anybody.
Do not fight me or I'm going to put you on the ground. Do you understand? Do you
Okay,
understand?
listen, shut up.
No, you stop talking.
Okay, shut up. I get it. But look at me. These kids are not handcuffing, please. These kids are not the problem here. It's
the suspect appeared drunk, giving off a strong odor of alcohol, and was visibly unstable, as though she was not fully aware of her actions.
Come on.
Wait, no, stop.
This is not going to go well for you. You're going to go
Stop
to my
right
car.
here, please. Are you serious? Why? All right. Do you hear that they're laughing? Like,
I don't
why?
care. You're out here beating up little kids.
Give me a
I'm not
break.
beating up little kids.
Give me a break. Give me a break.
I'm not beating up little
Stop.
kids.
Stop.
I'm not beating up little kids. I don't have little kids. I'm not beating up little kids. Look at this fucking little cunt. Look at this fucking backpack.
See, and this is what I'm saying.
Look at her.
Get in the car.
Happily. This is the fucking, oh my god.
I'll talk to you in a minute.
Fuck off!
2 call 37, 1 white female, 35 if you come back around by the courts.
The people present at the scene each described what they had witnessed, but Alexandra Dean refused to remain calm and did not cooperate with the police during the investigation.
You break out my window, you're getting a felony charge. You understand that?
You're a real fucking hard ass. Hear that?
Do you understand?
Now you're what, 21?
No.
What? You're 22.
No, I'm 35.
Oh, hard ass. Oh, you think you're getting somewhere?
Stop.
No.
Stop.
Don't let me.
Stop.
Give me a minute.
No.
No.
You need to stop. Act like a grown-up.
I'm
How old are
trying
you?
to. How old are you?
How old are you?
I'm your age.
Okay, then you need to start acting like
give
it.
me a minute to act like your age.
Okay, then I'm telling you, sit in the back of this car, relax, and I will come talk to you.
You're giving all these fucking children a minute to...
Correct, because they're the alleged victim, so you need to
And I was
relax.
here to like
You need to relax.
I was on their
You need
side.
to relax.
I was on their
You
side.
need to relax. I will come talk
That's
to you
not fair.
and get everything figured out, but right now you need
No,
to relax and act like an adult.
That's not fair.
Do you understand?
No, I don't. I have children.
I am trying to talk to them to get everything
That's fucked up. They don't... Please.
Okay, I'll stand.
Okay, thank you.
The witness explained that she was chasing after the children, while a tall man was running behind her in an attempt to stop her.
Oh, we were all just chilling at home, and then we seen this lady.
Were you outside or inside?
We were outside.
Okay,
We were all like chilling outside, and then we seen the kids running from the park.
Okay.
We could see her chasing them. Like what caught my eye was she was trying to get like a branch from a tree that's out here.
Okay.
She couldn't get it, so she continued chasing the kids. He ends up yelling at the kids to like go home. They're running, she's chasing them. And then they turned this corner, lost her for a bit, and then we seen her walking back. They're being kids and following her thinking it's fun. But the little girl was on her bike, not even bugging this girl, and she just comes up and pushes her off the bike. And then she's off the bike, she grabs the bike, and then like pushes the girl and everything.
2 women and a 13-year-old girl appeared on screen and explained how the incident took place. The 13-year-old girl added that the suspect had pushed her against the park's fence.
Okay, I was sitting on my porch.
Okay.
Seen her trying to throw sticks at the kids. We yelled and told her to stop. I seen him come up. He said, "Did you guys see that?" I said, "Yes." I was like, "Ma'am, quit throwing the kicks at the sticks." She's like, "Well, these kids are out of control. It doesn't matter. Stop throwing. Leave the kids alone.
Right.
They'll leave you alone. Walk away."
Right.
And when I seen her push the little girl, well, my daughter seen her push the little girl. I ran over there to make sure the girl was all right. And that's
So you
when
saw her push the girl off the bike?
No. I seen my daughter seen it. I leaned over.
okay,
I seen her on the ground.
Gotcha.
So I ran over there. And then that's when she pushed her when I was going over there to stop her. But I didn't see a lot of it. I was just ran over to stop her.
When the officer questioned the 13-year-old girl, she said that she was walking home with her friend when Alexandra suddenly ran toward them. They had no idea that Alexandra had been drinking, but she came up and pushed the 13-year-old, causing her to fall against the park's fence and get hurt.
They cannot talk to you or make you say anything.
What happened?
Without your
Okay,
parents.
so basically, me and her were just going back to her house.
Who's her?
Me, you're there.
Oh,
My name's
okay.
Yadira.
Okay, hi.
So we were going back to my house.
Okay.
Then
By going back to your house, what do you mean? Where were you at?
we were with her at her house.
On Orange?
Right.
Orange and 20th?
Yes.
Okay.
So we were going back to my house, and then the lady had was chasing the little kids.
Okay.
So I'm like wondering why.
What was she saying?
I don't know. She's drunk.
Okay, just
She's
screaming.
drunk.
Okay.
So usually when people are drunk, I don't mess with people that are drunk.
Yeah.
Then we're laughing, but we're laughing at something else.
Okay.
She's like, "Oh, you think it's funny, da da da," and we're over here saying, "We're not laughing at you." And then out of nowhere, she sees her laughing and she pushes her to the gate.
What gate?
This exact gate, but on the other side of these.
But on the Orange Avenue side?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And she just pushed you for no reason? How old are you? 13. Okay. Are you guardian? Are you just friend?
We're friends.
Okay.
Witnesses recalled a disturbing scene. Alexandra Dean shoved a young girl off her bicycle, grabbed her by the neck, and began hurling racial slurs, all while swinging tree branches at children in a fit of rage.
I'm gonna wait right here.
We can clear 10-3. I've got units here. Thank you. You can mark us 10-6. Sorry.
Copy, unit 10-3, clear on channel 1, 10-3, clear on channel 1.
I was trying to get my bike back, but she was like,
Did she, take your bike?
no, she pushed me off the bike, and I was trying to grab it, but she was trying to touch me.
Okay.
Did she put her hands around your neck? That's what Tom said. Did she was choking you?
Did she choke you out?
I think she was trying to.
So she put her hands around your neck. Do you remember that? Or did she just grab your chest or your arms?
She put one of her hands around my neck.
On the front or the back?
I think on the side. Then she pushed
On
me
the
off.
side?
Then she pushed me off my bike.
Okay.
Then she.
Guess what she was saying? Niggers. She said children, but she was saying niggers because my grandson, he had to go and get his haircut. But she was calling them niggers. And she was calling them niggers up there by that
That's a
fence.
derogatory statement.
No, I heard her.
I understand that.
She was right here calling them niggers. But she said,
We're gonna run this with the court, and we show up the court.
Do you guys know this lady at all?
No,
Never seen her before.
we just
You've never
all
seen
came
her?
from her birthday party that we just left
right
from.
there.
Okay.
We just got back from the birthday party.
Okay.
That lady right there, that white lady said she was running all them kids.
You get their statements.
Yeah, absolutely. So this is going to take...
I want to get photos too.
Yeah, yes.
Since you got your camera on.
Absolutely.
You know?
Yeah, no, we can see it clear as day.
No,
clear as
I
day.
want to see that.
Absolutely. So what's going to happen is because we got a lot of witnesses that we got to interview, we'll get you guys some paperwork. We're going to be here for a little bit, okay? But don't worry, justice is going to be served.
I got to get to work myself.
Okay. All right. I'm assuming you want to press charges.
Of course, you want to press charges, Mo?
Might as well.
Okay. All right. That's all I need to know. Absolutely. Absolutely. So give us a few minutes. We got to get some paperwork. We'll get you guys all squared away, and then we'll get that figured out, okay? Are there any questions that I can answer for you right now?
No, you're good.
Okay.
When the police gave Alexandra a chance to explain the situation, she wasted the officer's time by engaging in irrelevant and off-topic conversation.
Listen, I know you're looking at me like I'm crazy, but oh my God, I can't. They're these kids are fucking, they're just they're terrorists.
What do they do today?
Well, today, listen, I pay money, taxes, and all the things. Trust me, I've gone to jail. You can look me up. I know that it's not a shit. You can look me up, Alexandra Dean. You can look me up in Collier County. You can see it. I've been to jail in Collier County. It's not a shame. But these kids.
What do they do to you today, or what
today,
happened?
they just literally. Tonight, it was
Based on the witnesses' statements and the serious allegations of child abuse, officers moved in. Alexandra Dean was ultimately arrested and charged with 2 counts of child abuse, along with disorderly intoxication and resisting arrest without violence.
I don't understand anything after the, like, I can't breathe.
Yes, you can.
No, I cannot.
Okay, so do you understand that you can have an attorney with you while we're asking you questions and stuff?
This whole time, sure, but can somebody please just, like,
I can't listen
that?
I want to explain your charges to you, okay? Just slide in for
What
me.
are my charges?
I'd like to explain it to you, but I need you to slide in a little bit, okay?
You're a dick.
Yeah, that's fine. I just need you to slide in a little bit for me, okay? Can you
No.
do that?
No.
Okay, so if you don't do
So
that,
I
I'm
would
going
love
to
for
charge
you to push me in. I want to talk to you.
Okay, I'm done talking with you. So
You have not talked to me at all, though.
I've talked to you enough. I'm done.
You haven't talked to me at all.
So here's your charges, okay? You're getting 2 counts of child abuse, disorderly, intox, and
What?
resisting without violence, okay? Do you have any questions for me?
Yes.
Yeah, what are your questions?
Why am I being charged with anything
Well, we tried to get your
involving
side
a
of this
child?
because you pushed one child and you pushed another child against the fence.
Do you
So-
have proof?
Yes, I have witnesses.
Where? Can I see proof? I've
Sure,
never...
we'll be on your PCA. Slide in for me.
Are you going to push me?
I will if I need to, so I'm
But
going to
I
need you to
haven't.
just slide in for me.
But I
please.
have not touched a child. I've not once touched a child.
Would you mind sliding in for me?
I will if I have to, but I
You do
haven't.
have to.
Yes,
You do have to.
You do have to.
But please help
Go
me.
ahead.
We are helping.
You know, no, but he's putting hands on me. I haven't touched him.
You've been resisting, so you're gonna go in.
Relax. Just slide in.
No, this isn't.
There you go. Perfect.
Come towards me.
There you go. Look, easy, easy, easy.
This is not right. You know this isn't right. No way. No way.
Ma'am, we're trying not
This
to use
isn't-
any additional force on you, okay? You do understand that if you keep this behavior up, we will have to put your feet in a tie.
I would rather do it preventatively if we could.
You just want to do it now? Okay, sounds good.
I don't mind.
I'll give you my feet. That's fine.
Okay,
Here.
perfect.
Okay.
But I've been.
Right here.
All right, this is for you.
I've been.
And to prevent any further damage to any property or any further charges.
You just need to
You
slide your
hold
feet in for me.
yourselves accountable.
And the seatbelts, did you remove the seatbelt?
I removed the seatbelt before putting this on. You want me to click it back
Yeah,
in?
yeah, yeah.
Okay, I can do that from the other side.
Young man.